Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JMIA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I did this analysis previously, and just to set up more so the overarching context of today, beautiful, beautiful breakout from this pattern that I drew up. Talked about the wedge pattern here. Got the breakout this morning. So from a trading standpoint, very, very impressive move. Very, very profitable move right there. But from more so an overall standpoint, disappointing because, yeah, I got the breakout. Great, again, from a trading standpoint, from more so a day trader, viewpoint. But from an overall situation, the price is now rolled all the way back over. So does this destroy the entire chart? I'm not saying that at all. All I'm saying is that relative to that pattern breakout that you got earlier on in the day, just a disappointing day. But just because it's a disappointing day, keep in mind that word day, as in one day. And when we look at multiple days, and in order to do that, let me squeeze down the chart. You can see multiple days, the trend is still plenty up. So I'm not saying that just because today was disappointing, then all of a sudden the entire chart's destroyed. Absolutely not. Again, looking at this, you can see everything is still perfectly okay from the bigger picture point of view. But if you were, wanting to get more of that technical pattern breakout, from that angle, a very, very disappointing breakout, assuming, like I said, you care about the bigger picture. But day trading, yeah, that was a great breakout. But really the main level to watch now going forward, and the reason why I would consider this an important level, is 1430. And I mean, think about if the price were to go down here. Not saying it will, but if it comes down here, behaves like that, and then works its way back upwards, what would you still have from the big picture? Well, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows down here. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, then big picture-wise, everything is still very clearly trending in the upwards direction, especially if you figure those up as those stair steps. But overall, like I said, I keep emphasizing big picture because this is a tricky chart to talk about. Meaning, depending on your viewpoint, depending on your strategy, I can see how that pattern breakout could have caused some issues. But at the end of the day, assuming you do care about the broad scope of things, as you see here, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction, and that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.